Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by defining a clear learning goal and why it matters. This focuses both you and the respondent. Once done, name key assumptions you want to test and scan prior knowledge quickly. Then ask 3 open, neutral starter questions to open thinking. Avoid leading language. You do this to create a safe inquiry frame and to surface pathways for deeper probing. Make sure to set a calm tone and keep your posture and voice inviting so responses flow. You now move into layered probing. Start with clarification, then ask for reasons and evidence, and finally explore implications. As you hear an answer, choose 2-3 deeper follow-ups that target assumptions, origins, and consequences. Once you detect contradictions or gaps, slow down and rephrase to confirm understanding. Make sure to alternate short prompts with longer reflective questions to keep rhythm natural. This helps the respondent examine, thinking without feeling ambushed, and it surfaces useful insight for both of you. You finish by synthesizing, state the main insight and why it follows from the answers. Then invite practical next steps or a brief experiment to test the idea. This turns reflection into action. Once done, ask for the respondent's self-assessment and commitments. If progress stalls, use a targeted trouble question. What evidence would change your mind? That single prompt often reveals hidden assumptions and restarts productive dialogue without blaming anyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.